All right, my algebra students, this is the last day of classes, and I wish we could be together to kind of have a formal goodbye, but this is the best that we got. So I wrote you a little goodbye poem with some common themes from our year and a little bit of humor in there as well. So hopefully you enjoy this. Here we go. Story time. Way back in August, our math trek began. We looked at PEMDAS distributive property and some basic radicants. The land of solving equations took us into September. X is the password into the math party, don't you remember? Inequalities came next. What a good time. If you multiply or divide by a negative, flip that sign. We studied some functions on tables and graphs. The vending machine analogy gave us some laughs. New vocab came up like domain and range. We then came to the phrase constant rate of change. Slope and lines were things you'd soon see. Before you knew it, you were graphing y equals mx plus b. Solving systems gave us a wrap to semester one. We're in substitution and elimination. So much fun. We started studying exponents while the snow grew 3 inches. Throughout January, I'd ask you, hey, how are the finches? We then simplified expressions like x plus 3 squared. If you said that's x squared plus 9, I said, no, please no, and got scared. Factoring came next, our BFF. Before grouping or earmuffs, take out the GCF. When we started parabolas, I wore a big grin. Every Wednesday, I'd ask you, is your week a max or a min? Solving quadratic equations may have seemed quite intense, but did you buy your magic math wand at Target for $3.14? Quadratic formula is when our time in class came to a close. Since then, we've e-learned. That's just how it goes. You've worked hard at home. This has been a big change. I know how you feel. It's been a bit strange. I miss sharing jokes, of course, about math. Like, did you take the wrong bus? You're late to class. We finally made it to the end of May. You can now break down radicals. Hooray, hooray. I had a lot of fun this year and I'm proud of you all. The math party never ended, but it'll be more fun in the fall. I miss you guys, and I know this isn't the ending that we hoped for. It would have been nice to be in class and have a nice goodbye, but I had a lot of fun working with you guys this year. I'll see you guys next year in the fall. Stop by, say hi. Hopefully I get to have a lot of you again next year in geometry. Have a great summer and stay safe. Hey, see you in the fall.